skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. First I want to say, what did I want to, oh, Merry Christmas. I post videos every Tuesday and Friday, and today is Tuesday and it just so happens to be Christmas. So Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and however you say Kwanzaa. How about just Happy Holidays? Yeah, Happy Holidays, you guys. Today's video is a home tour. I know you guys have been asking me to do one of those for quite some time, and I've been hesitant because I'm a perfectionist and my house is far from perfect. As you can see from the crap going on behind my back. That is my disheveled couch, which is actually a futon. Ava's staying in here while my sister and her son stay in her room, and I did not feel like cleaning it up because it's just gonna go back to looking like that. I filmed the house tour yesterday before everybody got here, and I haven't watched it back yet, but I kind of feel like it's a everything that's wrong with my house tour, which there's nothing wrong with my house, it's just not complete. There are pieces missing, there are pieces here that shouldn't be here, but you guys will get the idea. So let's get to it. The house tour begins right here in the filming room. So ready? Close your eyes. Okay, open them. All right, we are gonna start with the filming room. This is what I see while I'm making a video. This is where I sit. That's my table. Those are the lights. I can turn them on for you. And this is what the room looks like. Let's turn a light on. There we go. Oh, somebody's here to say hi. Well, hello. Okay, all right, bye. This is the guest room. And this is where my oldest sister and her husband will be staying during Christmas vacay. It's small. I have my back up to the closet right there. They can watch a little boob tube. I'm old. What do you want? What's going on? Have a seat. Oh, that's nice. Kick your feet back. Flip it. This is the guest bathroom. What's going on here? Crooked. And yeah, that's pretty exciting. There's the commode. And that's it in relation to the guest room and the filming room. That's my dog. I don't feel like we have all the lights. Okay, so I just put this in the hallway from my bedroom, and I'm not quite sure what's going to happen with that, but it needs new handles if it's going to stay, and art above it. That's the downstairs. Okay, so next we're going into Ava's room. That's Ava's room, all clean. And my middle sister is going to be staying in here. So, and out from Ava's room, this is where it all happens, the master bedroom. And yeah, again, art needs to go up there. Lean that mirror just for the time being. I don't ride horses, no horses or any of that yet. I love that picture. So he went in here. It's a boy. Leaning chair. Love it. That does not go in here. That's where my dresser used to be. And we still have to figure out something that goes underneath the TV. Here we have the master bathroom. That's my side. That's George's side. That's my big tub. Shower. So, closets on either side. Back to the master. Not very exciting. Here's my view. It's very dark. Okay. Let's go downstairs. That's my child. my other child.
Can you believe it,
My
Mommy?
plethora of plants. That's where Abby's gonna sleep while guests are here because she snores terribly. That little rug is there for Abby because she slips when she comes down the stairs. Dining room. A lot of this stuff is, like I said before, not permanent, but here because guests are a-comin'. There's the Christmas tree. And the living room. Abby! She's not talking to me right now. Living room. There are so many chairs in this room, again, because guests are coming, which is another reason that I can do this video, because it's clean. Those pictures don't stay either. So, all right, now we're headed into the kitchen and nook area. Look at my plant. It's just gigantic. Wait, I have to show you my other plant. Abby's in her bed. That thing is enormous. And yes, that's a naked lady. Here's the kitchen. Here we go into the room where we spend 95% of our time. Okay, wait, no, 85, because we have to sleep. Art needs to go up there. I took it down. Oh, let's put a light on. There. Very plain room. Who's that? All right. This is what my husband's currently watching. And this is my husband's orifice. And these are my two favorite chairs in the whole wide world. I got them off of Craigslist. They were $30 a piece. Newly recovered. Here's the texture. I don't know if any of you care, but I do. There's his desk, foot massager down there, and full body right there. I love this thing, but sometimes I feel like it's trying to kill me. And here's Ava when she was little, doing ballet. There we go. And this door never stays open. You know, 3/4 bath for the downstairs. Art missing once again. And what I am not going to show you is my basement. Someday, just not right now. Laundry room. Everything you've seen already. The most beautiful part of my house is right here. Look at this body. You're beautiful. Okay. That was Ava. Filming room. Guest room. We're just going to go back in here. This is actually where Ava's going to sleep when the guests are here because, yeah, this folds down. It's a futon. And there's Ava's stuff for her overnights in here. Anyway, you guys, that's it. Maybe I'll sign off on the other camera. Bye. So that's my house. You saw almost all of it. I will see you guys on Friday. Again, happy holidays. I hope you liked today's video. I don't think you learned anything. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below. And you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye, guys.